Welcome back to my channel. In this video, we voiced the sentences used in daily life. Listen carefully and repeat the sentences. You can turn on subtitles if you wish. Let's start.
This can't be true.
This can't be true.
Tom claimed the inheritance.
Tom claimed the inheritance.
I question your choices.
I question your choices.
I want what's mine.
I want what's mine.
The door closes automatically.
The door closes automatically.
No gains without pains.
No gains without pains.
Who organized that meeting?
Who organized that meeting?
She baked 3 cakes.
She baked 3 cakes.
There is an abundance.
There is an abundance.
I'll see you tomorrow.
I'll see you tomorrow.
It was fiendishly cold.
It was fiendishly cold.
She averted her eyes.
She averted her eyes.
She's quite a handful.
She's quite a handful.
Who is out there?
Who is out there?
Tom hasn't eaten yet.
Tom hasn't eaten yet.
I am not Melissa.
I am not Melissa.
The problem is complex.
The problem is complex.
Might I come in?
Might I come in?
Please call me Angela.
Please call me Angela.
The girl looked around.
The girl looked around.
I was totally dumbfounded.
I was totally dumbfounded.
Life is at risk.
Life is at risk.
Wasn't Tom your boyfriend?
Wasn't Tom your boyfriend?
His views are harmful.
His views are harmful.
Who doesn't do that?
Who doesn't do that?
Nobody talks about her.
Nobody talks about her.
Why don't you understand?
Why don't you understand?
You've got some brass.
You've got some brass.
Do you believe him?
Do you believe him?
Are we only friends?
Are we only friends?
I started this topic.
I started this topic.
I found your cap.
I found your cap.
The students are bored.
The students are bored.
He drank a beer.
He drank a beer.
Put away your wallet.
Put away your wallet.
I'm having trouble concentrating.
I'm having trouble concentrating.
It's outside my expertise.
It's outside my expertise.
What was that sound?
What was that sound?
What's there to explain?
What's there to explain?
Come on, tell me.
Come on, tell me.
Inflation should be checked.
Inflation should be checked.
Mary is somewhat arrogant.
Mary is somewhat arrogant.
Tom didn't say anything.
Tom didn't say anything.
Don't be so disgusting.
Don't be so disgusting.
I hate being photographed.
I hate being photographed.
I'm from North Africa.
I'm from North Africa.
How well she cooks.
How well she cooks.
Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, like the video and comment. You can write your suggestions and requests in the comments. Let's continue. I'll meet her there.
I'll meet her there.
Off with your head.
Off with your head.
He's putting on airs.
He's putting on airs.
May I suggest something?
May I suggest something?
What'll it cost me?
What'll it cost me?
They can't fire me.
They can't fire me.
You can have both.
You can have both.
This paragraph is vague.
This paragraph is vague.
He climbs trees easily.
He climbs trees easily.
This shirt needs washing.
This shirt needs washing.
Maybe it was her.
Maybe it was her.
Tom is preparing supper.
Tom is preparing supper.
You are so busted.
You are so busted.
You can make it.
You can make it.
This job eats money.
This job eats money.
Don't do wicked things.
Don't do wicked things.
What a tawdry dress.
What a tawdry dress.
Tom had trouble breathing.
Tom had trouble breathing.
You're the expert, Tom.
You're the expert, Tom.
That isn't said anymore.
That isn't said anymore.
I think it's obvious.
I think it's obvious.
Lisa came too late.
Lisa came too late.
She will be missed.
She will be missed.
We haven't found him.
We haven't found him.
Maybe it's too late.
Maybe it's too late.
Tom did good work.
Tom did good work.
I've got the munchies.
I've got the munchies.
A password is required.
A password is required.
The situation is hopeless.
The situation is hopeless.
Look at that building.
Look at that building.
Tom wouldn't remember me.
Tom wouldn't remember me.
He's hard to please.
He's hard to please.
You're still my son.
You're still my son.
Same shit, different day.
Same shit, different day.
Be careful with her.
Be careful with her.
Why should they hide?
Why should they hide?
Write me sometime, okay?
Write me sometime, okay?
How tall are you?
How tall are you?
This shouldn't take long.
This shouldn't take long.
I want specific information.
I want specific information.
Mary thinks she's beautiful.
Mary thinks she's beautiful.
Your wife isn't unfaithful.
Your wife isn't unfaithful.
Please proceed with caution.
Please proceed with caution.
He saved himself somehow.
He saved himself somehow.
Let's be going now.
Let's be going now.
I want to compete.
I want to compete.
We can't do it.
We can't do it.
How accurate is it?
How accurate is it?
I'll leave right away.
I'll leave right away.
Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, like the video and comment. You can write your suggestions and requests in the comments. Let's continue. I want a Toyota.
I want a Toyota.
Did you say something?
Did you say something?
I think we're progressing.
I think we're progressing.
I didn't mean it.
I didn't mean it.
It's a complicated matter.
It's a complicated matter.
It's just a cover.
It's just a cover.
You should play football.
You should play football.
Who organized the meeting?
Who organized the meeting?
Let's definitely do that.
Let's definitely do that.
Tom prefers speaking French.
Tom prefers speaking French.
The moon is waning.
The moon is waning.
I was all ears.
I was all ears.
Here is your reward.
Here is your reward.
I brought some dessert.
I brought some dessert.
They were after you.
They were after you.
What are you carrying?
What are you carrying?
I'm contemplating this option.
I'm contemplating this option.
The show is over.
The show is over.
The family ate lunch.
The family ate lunch.
That's a provocative pose.
That's a provocative pose.
Please open the package.
Please open the package.
Health is above wealth.
Health is above wealth.
Tom can't do this.
Tom can't do this.
This is the dilemma.
This is the dilemma.
Weapons are forbidden here.
Weapons are forbidden here.
Is that from her?
Is that from her?
Please correct my pronunciation.
Please correct my pronunciation.
Others share Tom's optimism.
Others share Tom's optimism.
He looks his age.
He looks his age.
He avoided the question.
He avoided the question.
Then, she lost consciousness.
Then, she lost consciousness.
I've got other plans.
I've got other plans.
The situation has improved.
The situation has improved.
Tom is seldom late.
Tom is seldom late.
Has she a piano?
Has she a piano?
Tom hates working late.
Tom hates working late.
It was really incredible.
It was really incredible.
The light went on.
The light went on.
You'll accept the gifts.
You'll accept the gifts.
He was fully clothed.
He was fully clothed.
She traveled round Japan.
She traveled round Japan.
The house was big.
The house was big.
He's a drag queen.
He's a drag queen.
It wouldn't surprise me.
It wouldn't surprise me.
I never harmed her.
I never harmed her.
Somebody, help me, please.
Somebody, help me, please.
Where is the hotel?
Where is the hotel?
I like fresh air.
I like fresh air.
His parents hate him.
His parents hate him.
Everybody loves Tom, right?
Everybody loves Tom, right?
See with your ears.
See with your ears.
Where did you go?
Where did you go?